I had it like that earlier, like this. Beautiful, very nice. Our next guest is a Grammy Award-winning singer who recently launched her own fragrance, S by Shakira. Earlier, one of the llamas launched a fragrance. Alpaca, whatever it was.
Yeah. I know that.
This is her forthcoming album from Barranquilla, Colombia. The name of the album is Sale el Sol. Out comes the sun, sun comes out.
The sun comes out.
Sun comes out. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back Shakira.
The loca from Jamaica, Dion. The loca from Trinidad, Javanta. Oh, you think she got it all, ain't no one gigi. And I'm crazy, but you like it. Loca, loca, loca. You like that eating easy. Loca, loca, loca.
Good gig. Oh, man. Oh, that was wonderful. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Shakira.